Hey everybody, welcome to Vlogtober day at number 19. It is a beautiful day out here in Arkansas and it is cold. Right now the temperature is 57 degrees. When I woke up this morning it was in the 30s. It was so cold, but I welcome the cold weather. It just ties all up with the fall season and it just makes it feel even more fall-like, which I love and appreciate. So this morning, right now it is 1:21. This morning I've had to take Angelina to school, and I've been up at the school getting ready for some lessons for the next few weeks. So I'm hungry now. I have not eaten anything at all and I'm starving. So there's another new chicken place. I don't know if I told you guys last week or no, a few vlogs ago, when I tried this new chicken place called Justice Chicken. Was not at all impressed by their chicken at all. I really didn't like anything on the menu. I think they had one sauce that was pretty delicious, but other than that, I personally would not recommend anybody go and spend any money there. I was not pleased. So there's actually two more new chicken places out here, and the one I'm at today is called Waldo's Chicken, and I looked on their menu and it's just sounds like a great chicken place. The food looks really good. I hope it tastes good. So I'm here now. I'm gonna give them a try and I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. And again, the name of the place is Waldo's Chicken. So I have a lot of work to do as well. So I'm just going to get me some lunch and I'm probably gonna sit inside of the restaurant for a little bit. I got my laptop here and I'm gonna do a little bit of work as well. So I'm gonna bring you guys with me to keep me company. All right, everybody, so got some collard greens, we have mac and cheese, 2-piece chicken, and then this is a tender sauce and a buffalo sauce and a biscuit, okay? So of course, none of this is low carb, but I'm not trying to be low carb when I'm trying a new restaurant. So looks pretty good. I'll let you know how it tastes. Okay, let's give it a try, guys. So, mac and cheese. Mac and cheese is good. Collard greens. Let's give them a try. Y'all know I love collard greens. Delicious. Collard greens are pretty good. And chicken. Let's give it a taste. So good. So good. Needless to say, I am well pleased. Delicious. Making my latest TikTok, and I made a spicy garlicky smoky shrimp, and y'all, this is so good. I don't have this in YouTube format, the horizontal, but I will be putting the short form video up for you guys to see. But you all, this is so delicious. It's my latest recipe and I think you guys are gonna love it. It is fabulous. easy it is to make my delicious, spicy, smoky, garlicky shrimp. It makes a fabulous entree, or you can serve it as an appetizer. So I already buy shrimp that's deveined. I get it home and wash it up really well. We're going to get some fresh cilantro, chop it up, and then we're going to use some fresh chili peppers. Chop them up as well. 2 will usually do it. Now we're going to go in with some avocado oil. You can use any oil of your choice. We're going to use some smoked paprika, some onion powder, some coriander, some fresh chopped garlic. We're going to add the red chili peppers. We're going to add half of the fresh cilantro, then add some salt, some pepper, and lastly, we're going to go in with some cayenne pepper. Give that a mix really well. Now get your shrimp, and we're going to pour more than half of the mixture. Reserve at least 2 tablespoons of the mixture so we can baste our shrimp as it cooks. Now we're going to add a squeeze of fresh lime juice. Toss the shrimp really well. Now we're going to cover it with some plastic wrap. We're going to set it in the refrigerator and let it marinate for a minimum of 30 minutes. You can let this marinate for up to 24 hours if you'd like. After your shrimp has marinated, we're going to add some oil to a hot skillet and drop our shrimp in. While our shrimp is cooking, remember to baste it with the reserved marinade. Your shrimp should not cook any longer than 3 minutes on each side. When it's ready, pour the sauce from the skillet over the shrimp, give it a squeeze of fresh lime juice and a sprinkle of cilantro. And I like to give it a sprinkle of lime salt. If you guys want my lime salt recipe, let me know in the comments below. You guys are going to love this shrimp. For more great recipes, give me a follow.